Close your eyes for a second and hear this. A dusty mountain track, a scarf pulled tight against the wind, the distant clink of cutlery from a roadside darber. You step off the jeep and you think, where can I wash now? I want to help you with that exact small question.
In the next 5 minutes, we'll cover 3 simple checks you can use immediately: locate and ask, hygienic habits, and modesty and privacy defaults. I'll also share how to get the loo and wash card, online or by SMS, so you can carry it offline. First, locate and ask. Look for 3 visible cues that a place is appropriate: a clearly marked public wash area or toilet, a staff-accessible service area like a darbar or guest house, or a designated communal tap with a queue. If you see a locked gate, fenced yard, or a private courtyard, do not enter.
And second, check for staff or an obvious person in charge, someone you can ask. If there's a queue, wait politely. That's a good sign the spot is for public use. If it looks like people are just washing dishes or clothes, ask before stepping in.
2 short lines to copy and use right away. English one, and then a slow Urdu transliteration you can practice. First, English. Excuse me, may I please use a wash area? I will be quick and tidy. Now, slow Urdu transliteration. Say this gently. Maaf kijiye, kya main thoda sa dhone ke liye istemal kar sakta hu? Main jaldi hu aur saaf rakhunga.
Perfect. Now I'll model a short real-style exchange you might hear at a darbar. Listen for tone, pace, and how a polite refusal is handled.
Hello, brother. May I please use your wash area? I have just a quick face wash and I'll be out of your way. Ah, welcome. These are for customers only, but you can use the hand pump behind the kitchen over there. Please wait a moment while I put water for you.
Thank you. That's very kind. I'll be quick and I'll leave the area neat.
No problem. Go ahead. And if you need privacy, knock on the back door and I'll give a screened spot.
That clip shows 3 useful things: polite ask, an offered alternative, and a screened option if available. If the answer is no, accept it gracefully and move on. Never enter locked yards or fenced private spaces. That's our hard rule. Next, hygienic habits. 3 quick steps. 1. Secure water that's safe: bottled, boiled, or clean running tap water. 2. Soap. Use pocket soap, a small pump bottle, or an alcohol-based hand gel. 3. Dry. Use a clean micro towel or air dry. If you have a small antiseptic wipe or alcohol gel, keep it for hands and small wounds.
A low-tech fallback. If no soap, wash thoroughly with bottled water and then use a small splash of alcohol gel. Avoid washing in slow-moving or unclear streams. Don't use spring heads or unknown irrigation channels for wounds or intimate washing.
Legal and ethical boundary. Say it with me. Never enter locked yards or fenced areas without express permission. If someone refuses, thank them and look for a public option or a staff-led alternative. This respects local privacy and keeps you safe.
Modesty and privacy defaults. Carry a lightweight shawl or poncho, something you can wrap around your front quickly. Use a small folding screen if you camp often, or simply ask politely for a screen stall. If you're unsure, default to more covering, not less.
Okay, 2 exact scripts you can memorize. First, to ask to use a wash area, say slowly, "Excuse me, may I please use a wash area? I will be quick and tidy." Pause and repeat if you need to.
Pack tips and accessibility notes. Keep a sealed waste bag, a small bar or liquid soap in a waterproof pouch, a micro towel that folds small, and a spare Ziploc for wet items. For visually impaired listeners, it helps to attach a tactile button or small bead to the soap pouch so you can locate it by touch.
Disposal and environment. Seal sanitary items and used wipes in a separate bag and carry them out if there's no proper bin. Do not flush wipes into village drains or toilets. They clog systems and pollute springs. When in doubt, pack it out.
If you want the quick reference card, it's low data and offline ready. Download the Loo and Wash card from Travel Diary or SMS Loo Wash to +92 300 00 1234 and you'll receive a printable file. You can also request a mailed high-contrast icon sheet if you don't have reliable internet.
Quick recap before we go. Locate and ask. Look for public signs, staff or queues. Hygienic habits. Secure safe water, soap and dry. Modesty and privacy defaults. Use coverings and ask for screen stalls. And the absolute rule, never enter locked or fenced private areas without permission.
Thank you for listening. Travel small, travel respectfully. Get the Loo and Wash card to keep these tips at your fingertips. Safe journeys from Travel Diary.